How to trade cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide. The cryptocurrency market are ideal for trade that wish to take advantage of over changing token prices and high level of volatility. In this guide, you will learn how to trade cryptocurrency and make a profit as complete beginner. In addition to the basics, we will also take you through the process of placing your first ever cryptocurrency trading position with a regular broken. How to trade cryptocurrency, 5 easy steps. For a quick overview of how to trade cryptocurrency online, check out the step-by-step explainer outline below. Step A shows crypto trading platform. You want to able to trade cryptocurrency unless you have an account with a trusted platform. eToro is the overall best platform to trade cryptocurrency, not least because it offers dozens of digital in a regularly low cost and user friendly environment. You can open an account with a Toro by entering some basic personal information. Step 2, deposit funds. You will also you need to make a deposit before you trade cryptocurrency at eToro. You can deposit funds easily and debit card or an wallet payment. Ask and bank are supported too. If you are depositing found in US dollar, then the fee apply and the minimum requirement is charged $10. Step 3, research the market. Cryptocurrency trading required you to research the market in order to find profitable investment opportunity. A good starting point is to look for digital assets that might be undervalued, about to break out. Step 4, so which crypto, crypto to trade once over have researched the market. You can use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency that over which to trade when you find the current market click on the trade button. Step 5 Trade crypto. The final step is to place trading order. All you need to do here is enter your stake from $10 and silent on the open trade button. The cryptocurrency market are operation and possible. It your overall best place trade cryptocurrency. You will also find a variety of different point and metaverse and crypto token. What we like having a regulatory super low trading commission, free US dollar deposit and deposit account with a debit credit card wallet and bank transfer. Crypto trading tools can be used with the best crypto and forest signal perfect for beginner. Get started in less than 5 minutes. Crypto.com trade 25 plus cryptocurrency market with low fee. Binance low fee exchange to trade cryptocurrency first. The final exchange to consider when deciding on where to trade cryptocurrency and often.